Hello guys, welcome to the Phone Zone. We are back with another video. Brand new stocks of Android has already arrived. Let's check it out. Motorola Edge 78 256GB, AI Nova 2 Pro 6 128GB, Vivo T5X 6 128GB, Realme P4 Pro 8 256GB, Realme P4 8 256GB, Realme P4 Lite 4 128GB. All these phones will be covered under 1-year warranty. Comparing with the online prices, we give 10% discount on brand new phones. Do follow us, do follow our page, subscribe to our channel for exciting updates. Thank you for choosing Phone Zone.